Hello, my lovely souls. I am Harpreet. So, here I come for the monthly guidance for Cancerians. It is a timeless reading and it is a collective reading also. So, it may or may not resonate with you. So, be free to, keep aside the one who doesn't resonate with you. So, let's see what is there for Cancerians. That's what is there in your future as far as your career and your relationship is concerned. So I'll be covering your relationship and your career today. So let's see. These are two piles. So take a deep breath in, and you can decide any one of them. So let's see what's the universe has to say. So I'll start with pile number one. So yes, let's see for my Cancerians, what's the pile number one is in store for you. So embrace the magic of unseen. So yes, so let's see what is there for you. Oh, so in your let's start with your career first. It is 10 of Wands. See, it is 10 of Wands here. So let's see. Okay, I think in your career you've been, you're overburdening yourself. You have taken extra responsibility on you, and you are being very, you are thinking that, yeah, you are very tough and you know you can handle everything alone. So you are overburdening yourself by doing it. Yeah, unnecessary. You are taking, you are doing hard work. It's not that you are not working hard. You're working pretty hard, but at the same time, you are overburdening things. You can always, distribute the work amongst your colleagues, amongst, or you can always talk to your, the boss that yes, thoda sa, you need to, you need to distribute your work in your works, whatever you are in your business, or it might be at your work setup. So you need to, the whatever extra responsibilities you are holding on presently, I think you need to, you need to distribute those responsibility. You are matlab, by doing you, there are people who are ready to take your responsibility. It's not that they are ready to take up your responsibility in your business. They are ready to, hold your hand, or some kind of I can say that the things are going to be easy for you, but by overburdening yourself, you are just, it is affecting your mental health as well as your physical health. There is no point. So the universe is guiding you, or there's a lot of basically the universe is guiding you to you just just have to distribute the things evenly. Be very diligent in your this thing. There has to be some kind of the even if you are mentally disturbed, you need to release that burden, whatever burden you are having in your career presently. Okay, so too much of it won't help you out. Fine. So let's take out the clarifier card for this. See, it is 8 of Cups, which is, though it is, totally resonating with the present scenario. Oh, that you are, whatever you had expected in your career, things are not going that well. So you are, at times you are so bugged up, or you're so fed up that you just you are at times you think that you just have to, matlab, this is not the kind of work you had expected on, so you are planning to just leave everything and move forward. So it's a, it's a what do you call it, it's a temporary phase. It is a temporary phase, it is not a permanent thing. So you just need to be, you have to think practically. You have to be slightly, emotionally, you don't have to be so carried away with the things, with the people around you, or with your colleagues around you. No, you don't have to be carried away. So the only thing is that you need to just what do you call, you need to think practically things in your business also. So it might not be a good move presently. So I think let's see what's the advice for you. Yeah, see, it's a give and take. This thing, it is Six of Pentacles here. So I think whatever you are, you are giving too much in the, you're giving too much in your, the career. So you need to slow down. You need to hold on to the things, and it is give and take. It also shows give and take, in finances or in whatever issues you are having in your, with your colleagues or with your boss. You need to slow down. You have to think practically. You have to, you being very passionate with your work, in your career. You are very passionate, very enthusiastic, very upcoming person, and you want to get into all kind of, you are having that, very much attached to your particular, the career path, whatever you have chosen presently. But you need not have to be, overburden yourself. So just be very calm, compose, and be very, you need to see, you need to balance out things. I think you presently, you're not balancing out things, so I think that is must in the relation, in your career. So let's see what's there for you as far as your relationship is concerned. Okay, so relationship, yeah. So there is, for, let's read for singles first. So I think for singles, there's some kind of a new, new proposal, or some kind of a divine, something is, some new proposal is going to come, and then you just have to grab it. You don't have to think twice, because whatever is coming for you is for your well-being, for your good, and for your betterment. So yeah, go all out for whatever proposals you are going to get in future. And let's take out the clarifier card for Eight of Wands. So yeah, so I can see, even you are not, in your relationship, I think, like in the past, you had a few breakups, or you were not very satisfied with your previous relationships. But I think presently, you should avoid, if the, if you are getting a new opportunity or a new proposal, I think you should go all, you should take it, because whatever had happened in the past is past. You don't have to keep mourning for that. So it's better you take a new this thing. You don't have to get you are, basically, I can see that in the past, I think there's some mishappening has happened, or you were very disappointed with your past relationships. But if you just turn around, and things are going to be very positive for you, for singles, I believe. If it is going to, you will have a lot of, the good thing is going to happen with you in the relationship. You might get a good proposal. So yes, you should be very happy with that. You should come over your disappointments, and your, your past traumas, I can say. So yeah, go all out. It's a good divine, this thing, connection, I can see. Even for married people, I can see that whatever had happened in the past, you can, you have to let go that particular thing, and now whatever is coming in the future, you have to take things in a very positive stride. The things are going to improve in your relationship, if you have tried out your all whatever you have manifested, you can say, in your relationship. Things are going to go better for a person who are, who are married also. So let's see what's the advice for you. See, it's a Queen of Cups. So there is someone who is very, for singles, I think a person who's going to who's very compassionate, who's very, very sympathetic, and you are going to have someone who's very nurturing in her nature, or vice versa. So it can be a male for the ladies. So, and in your, what do you call, your married, for, I think for married people, I think things are going to go great for you. So if you have not expressed so much in your relationship over a period of time, now is the time for you to express your or you express your feelings, come out of it, come out of your groove, and express it, try to communicate. Though you're being very emotional with each other, but you try to communicate with each other, I think things are going to go very well. But the only thing is that communication, and that you have to come from that emotional issues of yours. So you have to be more expressive in your thoughts, so that is must. So be very expressive, and yeah, things are going to be great for you. There are certain things which you have to take care in your relationship, that expression, if until unless you are being expressive, and you communicate with each other, and you are being expressive with each other, or though you both of you are very supportive, and you are you really both of you are very caring for each other, but at the same time you need to be expressive also. If you are going to keep things in your to yourself, things are not going to work out like that. Fine. So be very express yourself. I think that's a very easy thing these days to do. Okay, so let's see what's the guidance for you. Yeah, let's see what's the guidance for you in your relationship. Yeah, see, it's there is yeah, that chemistry is lacking for someone. It's for some people, I think that chemistry is lacking. That is lacking only because if there is no you the both of you, the partners are not expressive, so that is why that chemistry, that bonding is lacking. So you need to you need to that chemistry has to be unfold to keep this relationship going. So you need to communicate, you need to be expressive. I think that's the best thing, and things are going pretty good in your relationship, so nothing to worry. So okay, so that was all for pile number 1. We have such great cards for you. So I hope that's it for August reading. So let's move on to pile number 2 now. So let's see what's there for you, pile number 2. Let's figure out what's in store for you now. Time to shuffle off to your destiny, or to at least get your sneak peek of your destiny for pile number 2. Let's see what's in store for you. Let me take out the cards for your career. Yeah, so we had a Hierophant. So again, it's a card for in your relationship, in your career. I believe that you require someone who can teach you something. You are the things are going to go great for you, provided that you require a mentor in your career, who can guide you, who can actually teach you how things are going to be, how to go about it. Even in business also, things are going to go great for you, but provided you need to take guidance of someone who is more experienced person, and who is at your work setup. You need someone that who's more successful. Or you also require who can guide you how to go for a teamwork, or something going with your traditional things, traditional and simple method, you can say. I think you are making things very complicated. The things are going to be very simple and very straight for you, provided you take guidance from someone who is slightly mature, and who's slightly smarter in his in your work setup. You have to take that that mentorship, or you have to take someone into your you trust someone, so you need to take that kind of a person in your in your confidence, and you can take guidance from that kind of a person, and it will definitely help you in your growth in your career. Because I can see that you are very passionate, and you are very very upcoming in your career. You have full control over your your beliefs, and you are very you are a person who is very spiritual also. I can see, who believes in doing things in on a right way. So yeah, things are going to go great for you. But the only problem is that you, without any mentorship or without any guidance from someone, I think things are not going to go that. That it's not going to be that positive for you. So yeah, so you need to be careful with that. I think with a better, that communication has to also be there. See, it's a 5 number, so it also represents communication. You are not communicating with people around you, so with your colleagues or something, so you need to do that also. You need to, communicate, be straightforward, be a little bit of diplomacy also has to be there. So be straightforward and diplomatic, but at the same time, him a elderly person or some elderly, the more experienced person will definitely help you in guiding in regarding how to go about it, how to make things easy and simpler for you in your career and work setup. So yeah, take, definitely it is the time to take guidance from someone in this period of August. Okay, let's take out the clarifier. See, it's a Ace of Swords here. So Ace of Swords, yes, it represents that you have lot of lot of thoughts in your mind, lot of clarity is there in your mind. You have lot of you have planned so many things. There's a lot of projects which they're lined up, and things are very well, and the universe is also giving a good opportunity to you. But how to execute that is the issue. So for that, I think you have to take guidance from someone who is who's trustworthy and who's more experienced. So that's a big thing, and definitely you're going to be successful. It's a new beginning, and it's a card of new beginning, and it's showing success also, provided you take guidance of someone who is better than you in many other things. So let's see. Yeah, so see, we have Page of Thoughts because all of them are resonating it so well, that you have so many ideas in your mind, and the thoughts are not in under your control. So I think it's just going haywire presently. And yes, so I think you have to, you require, basically you need to stop, you need to get hold of your thoughts and your planning, and whatever the surroundings also, I think you are not very happy with it. Your in your work setup, I think you are not very happy. So you are you are there to to for more, you are more basically um, going for planning. I'll do this, I'll do that, and like this. But as whenever the execution part is, generally whenever you have to execute that particular thing, so there you go generally wrong. So for there, I think that little bit of whatever immature-ish nature I can say of yours is there. So you know got to be slightly mature by taking help of someone who is more experienced. So I think that's it. The career is going very fine with you. Oh, and the things are going to go better, and you are very passionate with your thing. Let me sum up your career thing. But the only problem is with your thoughts, and with your so much of chaotic thoughts and haywire, that clarity of mind is not there. So for that, I think you need to take help of someone who's very sensible, more sensible person, and more maturish and more experienced person. Okay, so let's do the relationship reading for you now. Again, we have sword cards. It's 5 of swords again. The whatever relationship, I think the communication is missing, or you have basically I am thinking on that purpose also, like you are because of some issue, you have overspoken or you have overheard someone in your relationship. That ego clashes are there, more of a ego clashes there, that you need to get you have to hold that particular thing. You need to clear out your you have to take control of this ego or issues. You have hurt someone very badly, eh, by it's just an ego thing, otherwise nothing in that way. The thing is, things are very okay, But just because of some lack of communication, you can say, or some kind of issues in your relationship, you had hurt someone, so the other person is not very happy and he doesn't want to, in no more in a, you are basically in a no contact zone presently, and nobody wants to speak to you, your spouse, or even in singles also, your ex, you can say, is not very happy with whatever you had, the way your behavior was. So I think you need to you to take charge of that particular thing of yours. So this is a Knight of Wands again for the clarifier. Yeah, so that's again is saying that you need to hold all the particular thing, you need to hold, because it is all about the energies of or too much of holding is also an issue for someone. So it can be a vice versa, that you need to take action. Someone has taken a being very rude with you, so you have to take action now, and you have to give him the reply, give him or her the reply, you have to reply back. So yeah, so that is also one of the issues I can see. So be careful with your relationship. Let's take out what's the advice for you. See, it's a Queen of Pentacles here. So so you need to be grounded, basically. You need to be grounded, you have to balance. See, the problem can be in relationship, can also be because of the finances. So it is also, this card is also suggesting that you need to, you have to, first of all, you have to be grounded. At the same time, you have to be, yeah, so you are over grounding yourself, yeah, so you are totally into the into your job, or you are taking more you are more concentrating more on your or work setup, or your job, or your business, or or for someone, I think it can be also कि you are just not interested in the finances, or in having financial, you are having some kind of financial issues also. Because of that also, you might have some problem in your relationship. So got to be careful with that. So now you need to balance out things, you need to be grounded, and you have to be very clear with your thoughts, and with your whatever comes into your mind, you have to be communicative with that, with your partner and with your ex. If I'm saying, okay, let's see what's the angels have to guide you as far the relationship is concerned. So yeah, see, addictions are affecting your romantic life. So it's a bang on card for this kind of a situation, that some kind of addiction, whatever I had mentioned earlier, that some kind of addiction you have, either you have or there is a lot of your that ego issue is there, a lot of ego issues there, or you are totally into your you're too much into your finances, or you're taking too much giving too much importance to your workplace. So that is can be the issue in your relationship. Or it can also be, it can also suggest that you are not giving importance to the finances, or you are you are just not your thoughts are not in your control, and you are every time you are coming up with the new things, so you're not able to control all your thoughts. So that can also be a reason of not having a that the relationship is not very smooth presently. So you need to take care of that. So yeah, that's all for today's reading. I think for some of you it might resonate, it might not resonate. To do let me know कि it resonated with you or not. But yeah, this was it is a timeless reading for a person, for any person for that matter, for any zodiac. So it's a timeless reading, and yes, and okay, so all the best, my dear Cancerians. So I'll come next month for the your for future, and for your career, for your health next time. Yeah, it's going to be next time for your for the health also. So all the best, take care, be happy, be safe, and be healthy. Thank you so much. Signing off, Harpreet.